Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and in front of me we have the S&P, sorry, not the S&P, but Nasdaq 100 futures chart. Today we have continued our rally towards the upside, currently trading up at 14,190. Some of the tech stocks have been hitting their all-time highs during today's trading session. We have Microsoft, which hit an all-time high up at $264 a share. We have CrowdStrike, which achieved a price of $254 a share. So we've seen some massive tech companies here achieving brand new all-time highs. But as I've mentioned in previous trading videos, going into the end of June, we have to take seasonality into consideration. And historically speaking, the end of June is a very bearish time for the stock market. In fact, the S&P 500 has declined more than 5% in the final trading week of June over the past 22 years. So, if you're someone who looks into stats, I would still, clear off the US indices, at least going into the end of the month. Unfortunately, my trade here in the Nasdaq 100 did hit its stop loss overnight. Where is it? Well, actually, sorry, no, it hasn't. Where did my Nasdaq trade go? Where is it? Let me just find it here. Sorry, guys. There we go. Yep, so it did hit my stop loss, unfortunately, on the 22nd of June, which of course was this morning, and I lost $185 on that trade, which has now taken my overall balance into negative. So I'm down 0.5% on my $10,000 that I originally started with, but not to worry, because I still have some trades open here. So for example, I'm currently at $90 in profit. So if I was to close these trades out, I would actually be in the green. But I'm actually going to go ahead and sell the Nasdaq 100 here. We're currently trading up at all-time highs. Many tech stocks have achieved brand new all-time highs during this trading week. So, I think that the downside is a lot more, I think that the downside carries more risk than the upside at this moment in time. So I'm going to go ahead and place a short position. My take profit, I'm going to be, not greedy. I'm going to target 14,000, and my stop loss I'm going to go and put up at 14,350. So we should have a slightly better risk reward ratio there. There we go. Of 4/3, and I want to be risking about 2.5%, so $250 on this trade, to be making roughly $300 odd. So there we go. So I'm risking $250, which is 2.5% on my $10,000 invested, to gain 3.3%, which is $330. And I'm going to sell the Nasdaq 100. So there we go. I've now executed that trade. I'm targeting to this area here. And this is a pure seasonality trade, guys, due to the fact going into the end of the month of June, historically speaking, the US stock market does tend to come under some pressure. So there we are. They're my short position here up at all-time highs. Continue to follow my videos, especially going into tomorrow's trading session, to see how this trade performs. Again, I'm not really expecting this to hit its take profit by the end of today, or perhaps even by the end of tomorrow's trading session. But there's still a long way to go in the month of June, and any time now, I just have a feeling that the stock markets could easily pull back and play out how they have done the previous 22 years. So I am a shorter in this market as we speak.